Good morning, guys. So hectic days are over. 3 days of temple festival, that is 3 days of getting readies and those pujas and everything is done. It's all over. So today we do not have much plans, but I thought of vlogging because we are gonna go for Ima's haircut. It's been exactly 6 months after Ima's mundan. So her hair is pretty long now. In between I did trim her hair, but I feel that we should go for some major haircut now because sorry so because I feel that she's not comfortable. First of all, she doesn't let me tie her hair, that is first thing. Second of all, she doesn't like any kind of hair bows or anything like that. She just throws away. Since her hair is little long, that hair just comes to her eyes, which I feel that is little discomfort. So we'll be going to naturals. In the Makuti. Bah. Rudaka hi Barrio, hi. Hi Barrio. Oh, she's a little irritated today. I don't know why. I'm really scared if she's gonna cooperate or not. I really hope, fingers crossed, she's gonna cooperate and it's gonna be fine. I really hope so. So I will talk to you guys later because Ima is really cranky. In bada and de. Mukuti. Hi guys. This place is known as Kota Maidanam, which is there in Palakkad. It's a beautiful place with Kota, and it's an open space with lots and lots of trees and gardens, and it's such a beautiful place. Ima just loves being there. So after haircut, we just straight away went there. Not just that, there is a park attached to this Kota Maidanam, which is beautiful park. We also went there, but then I didn't vlog. That's because we both wanted to play with Ima, and we played a lot. That's a beautiful park. There is lot and lot of things to play, and there is lots and lots of trees, so it is not as sunny as in Kota Maidanam, because lot more trees are there in that park. Since it is daytime, this Kota Maidanam was really sunny, but then during evening time this is a beautiful place to be, because it's such a nice feeling, such a good environment. Ima absolutely loves being there. That's the reason we went there. Now after this, we straight away went to our home, and then we had lunch, dinner, and there was nothing much happening. That's the reason I didn't vlog. And we had a great time, and not just that, Ima was really nicely cooperative during her haircut, but then at the end she got a little bit cranky, but it was definitely okay. And we gave her this mushroom cut, because lot of babies and kids are having this mushroom cut. I think that's in trend right now. That's the reason we went with that, and I think it looks cute, nice. I liked it. Actually, we both loved it. So now I'll be showing you guys a album. When Ima was just 40 days old, we had a function at our hometown, at my place, Thrissur. So I think you guys must have not seen that album and that picture, so that's the reason I thought of sharing with you all. So with that, this blog will be done. I really hope this video has been enjoyable for you all. If so, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon. Bye bye. And this one is the album when she was actually 40 days old. We had a function at my place, at my home at Thrissur. So this is the album. So here she is just 40 days old. Look at this, so chubby, and this is the hair bow which I made. Actually, I'll show you guys in detail everything. So this dress I have made it by myself too. I made it from Kerala sari material, this top portion, and I have sewed this small little golden beads, and here are white beads as well. And this bow is made from 3 roses. I have made with satin flower, and look at her, guys. She was so chubby. Right now she is not that chubby, but then that's fine. Babies does change, and as far as I'm concerned, all matters to me is her health. She's healthy, touch wood, so that's what matters. So it's us, me. Look at me, even I was so chubby then. And here is Ima baby and my husband. So here is my family photos. So you guys must be already knowing, in-laws, my mom, and here is Ima baby. Look at her. She was so cooperative that day, even though she was just 40 days old. She was posing to camera very well, and everyone who came for this function was telling me that she is just your daughter only, because she is so much into camera. She loves camera. And here are my relatives, and here is us, and here is a family picture. So here is Ima baby, and again relatives picture. So now I will tell you guys the details of dress. It's just a simple frock. Back I have given elastic, which makes it very easy to wear as well as to take it off. Just this frills, 3 layers of frills are there, and here is small flower, and here is golden and pink flower. So we all had that Kerala's like sari ka, that golden theme. So since I was not comfortable wearing sari right then at that time, so I went for this salwar, which is of same color of Kerala sari. It's golden, and I gave this pink detailing. This one is actually a ready-made like anarkali, but then I did a lot of work. I color piping. I actually did a lot of alterations for this anarkali. I did give this pink piping, and I did a lot of things, lace for this dupatta, those things. My husband was wearing this cream color, off-white color shirt, and my baby was wearing this same color ka frock, which I stitched by myself. By then she fell asleep. I really love this picture. I absolutely adore this picture. So I like it very much. So that's it.